How to get QR code for YouTube channel. If you want to get a QR code for your YouTube channel, follow these steps. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your device. If you open an account on YouTube, then YouTube automatically creates a separate QR code for your YouTube channel. You can view your QR code like this. Tap on your profile picture from the bottom panel. Then go to your YouTube channel. On your YouTube channel, you need to look for the share button. Since it's hidden, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your YouTube channel. When you do that, then this kind of menu appears at the bottom. Here select the first option, Share. After that, again another panel like this will open. On this section at the very bottom, you will see the option QR code. Click on the option QR code to view your QR. Now anyone can scan this QR code to reach to your YouTube channel. You can simply save it to your gallery by clicking on the Save to Camera Roll option at the bottom. If that does not work, then you can simply take a screenshot and crop it. If this is not available on your YouTube, then make sure to update it on the Google Play Store or the App Store. So that is it for this video. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.